Welcome! If you're looking to take control of your privacy on Facebook and decide exactly who can see your followers, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to customize who can view your followers list on the Facebook app for PC, following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. From here, click on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage everything about your Facebook account. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Scroll down and find the section labeled Followers and Public Content. Click on it to open up more options related to your followers and how your content is shared. Under this section, look for Who can see your followers on your timeline. Click on this setting and you'll see a list of privacy options. To get the most control, choose Custom. This option lets you decide exactly who can and can't see your followers. A new window will pop up where you can fill in the fields. Here, you can type in the names of specific people or lists who you want to allow or block from seeing your followers. Take your time to customize it just the way you want. Once you've made your choices, don't forget to click Save. This will apply your new privacy settings immediately. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've set up a custom audience for your followers list, giving you peace of mind and more control over your Facebook experience. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.